6 matches will be played at Corinthians Stadium, under construction in the district of Itaquera in the eastern zone of the capital. It'll be a constructed area of 180,000 square meters with a capacity for more than 60,000 fans, taking into consideration permanent and temporary structures. This will be the São Paulo Arena. Another important project for the city, the monorail that will connect Congonhas Airport to the metro and train networks. And by 2014, the train network will also reach São Paulo International Airport in Guarulhos, making life easier for thousands of people. A journey of 30 minutes from the airport to the city center is estimated, considering connections. 6 matches will be played at Corinthians Stadium, under construction in the district of Itaquera in the eastern zone of the capital. It'll be a constructed area of 180,000 square meters with a capacity for more than 60,000 fans, taking into consideration permanent and temporary structures. This will be the São Paulo Arena. Around the stadium, many improvements are planned to provide the functional areas necessary to host the event. On match days, the master plan of the event is currently in the following stage. A security perimeter will be established, controlling access of accredited persons and vehicles, as well as fans with regular tickets. For each type of ticket, there will be a movement flow, either using public transport or parking for accredited cars and coaches. But priority access will be given to public transport. More than 82% of spectators are expected to use metro, train, and bus to reach the stadium. In addition to the security perimeter, this is the first proposal for the outer perimeter of the stadium and the placement of mag and bags, taking into consideration the dimensions indicated by the crowd flow study. The commercial affiliate village, TV compound, and IT compound will be located on the west side of the stadium. The commercial display and commercial hospitality village will be located on the east side of the stadium. Just a few meters from the stadium, already existing structures will be used to implement the volunteer center and a recreational area dedicated to the youth program, as well as a helipad. The installation of a waste compound and storage areas on a private land close to the stadium is currently under consideration. To reach the stadium, fans will have 2 train and metro stations as well as a bus station. By train or bus, fans will get off at Corinthians Itaquera station. By metro, they will get off at Artur Alvim station. Both are less than 800 meters from the stadium.
Olhe ao redor. Os prédios. As janelas. As pessoas. Você. Somos todos formados por histórias. E cada uma dessas histórias é formada por números.